After a long hiatus, hypersonic missiles research and development are back in full swing. Major powers like China, Russia, and the United States have been racing to develop hypersonic missiles. A missile system so fast that it cannot be intercepted by any current missile defense system. Hypersonic missiles will play a huge role in foreign policy in the years to come. They are so fast that their speed can change the surrounding air molecules. They can carry a nuclear warhead, fly low, and be hard to detect. Why it matters? They are normally defined as fast, low-flying, and highly maneuverable weapon designed to be too quick and agile for the traditional missile defense system to detect in time. Unlike ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapon didn't follow the predetermined arch trajectory and can maneuver on the way of their destination. As a result, they are very difficult to counter using existing defense system. The term hypersonic describes any speed faster than 5 times that of sound. Meaning these weapons can travel up to 6,115 km per hour. There are 2 types, and they are glide vehicles and cruise missile. Hypersonic glide vehicle is a type of hypersonic missile that utilizes re-entry vehicles. Initially, the missile is launched into space on an arching trajectory, where the warheads are released and fall towards the atmosphere at the hypersonic speed. It can also overcome the defenses of heavily defended targets such as an aircraft carrier. Moreover, the development of submarine-launched hypersonic missiles would rise in the potential threat, real or perceived, of attempted decapitation strikes, utilizing the combination of inherent stealth of a nuclear-powered submarine and the speed of a hypersonic missile. China, the US, and Russia have the most advanced capabilities. Several other countries are investing on the technology, including India, Japan, Australia, France, Germany, and North Korea, which claims to have tested a hypersonic missile. Hypersonic weapons may also be problematic in terms of escalation control in the context of a NATO-Russia or US-China confrontation. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.